Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is PR Businesses. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So before the started we can discuss something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 77 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 38 and the spam score is only 1%, and according to Similar Web, okay, I guess I exceeded the limit. So this website having 38.2k monthly visits and the mostly traffic from USA, Pakistan, India, Philippines and Canada. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So this is a research of this website. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So first thing, so this is the website dashboard. So you can see there is if you can scroll something, so you can see there is a search box, so you can enter your business name and your city is Mintonica. Then you can click on the get started button. So your businesses are not listed there, so you can click on the I wanted to add a business, and you can click on the business owner, and you can select your country, and there you can add a contact name should be your company founder name. This is a good thing to for the NAP citation. There you can add your business name, and after that there you can add your business number. So you can select your category, professional services, okay, and after that I can select subcategory, so business consulting and the employment agency. Country is US, so you can select your state. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Minnesota, and there you can fill your zip code, and let me add my city street address. So street address is this, and there you can add your email address. So email address should be this, and you can choose your password. And once you guys will complete your all details, so you can click on the captcha verification and you can click on the submit button. So you can see our profile is successfully created. So you can see there is no website listed and the social account added. So now we can update our profile details, business details. So you can see there is a manage listing button. You can click on this, and you will see there is details. So manage number of reviews and update your account. So you can click on this. So yeah, you can click on the edit business profile and you will see there is a logo. So you can upload your website logo. Yeah, so there is a option to, so you can add your website URL. In this section, display ad is video, top interview management system, and there we can add a company description. So I have generated this one. Company description should be I can go to add mm, so there I can add job more, and short description should be this one, and the featured description, in the feature description I can add this one, feature description link. I guess this one should be feature description, and the feature description you can add any of link, so whatever you are wanting. So I can gonna to add my save changes, but not going to save employment agency. So these things I have completed, and I guess these things are updated now, and add more hour. So the pay. So our working time is 8:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So let me add these details. Monday 8:30 a.m. to 5:30. p.m. Monday. And once you guys will complete your hours of operations details, so after that you can update your social details. So in this section we can add our social channels. So LinkedIn is this one, additional details and the fax number, and so you can complete your payment accept method. So once you guys will complete these things, so after that this should be going to change, save my changes. So there is a button, so you can click on this. URL for YouTube is incorrect. Okay, so what we can do, oh my god, so every details URL YouTube is incorrect. And there is a basic information button, so you can click on this and you will see this is your basic information. Okay, so once you guys will complete all the things, so upload an image. So there is a option to you guys will upload your images, enter post title, start writing your post. I guess what is this, so let me try. So interview management system, and let me see what is this, and then we can add short description, and this is the image. Add post, so you guys are able to submit your email submission also. And the promote, so there is contact my businesses, is there anything another things. So update your account, so there is you guys will update your account details. So you can say build, fix, review, and another things. So this is you can take care of these things after that. So we can click on the profile button, billing and plans, and the notification we can click on the dashboard. you can click on this and the view my PR listing. So you can see there is a button, so you can see this is your business listing backlink, and you can see this is our website. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow business listing backlink on this site. So this is the process for the backlinking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can want to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.